Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is Qayyum from Q's Basic Cooking, and today I'm bringing to you a very mazedar, yummy recipe. I'm making lechha parathas. It's like layering a dough, like a pastry dough. So what I'm going to do, I made this simple dough atta with just 3 cups of atta and made it with the water and added a little bit salt to it. Now what I'm doing is I'm going to flatten them बारीक बारीक से इनके परत बना लेंगे, रोटी बना लेंगे, very thin rotis, and every layer I'm going to put some butter, and the thinner the dough is, the better crispy and flaky it will become. So that's what it is. I'm trying to make it as thin as possible, and with every layer, every time I make a roti or then I will put the butter on it, put it away, then top it with another one, then top with another one. See how nice and thin it is? Okay, there you go. A little more. Brush it with butter, a nice coating, and we will just repeat the same thing over and over until you have 10 or 12 put together. Let's keep doing it. Same way, just press down the little dough ball with your thumb and fingers, first 2 fingers. Just press it down and then roll it. Use a rolling pin. This is not something we can do with our hands. As thin as possible. Stretch it out. There you go. Same thing. Brush with butter. Butter has to be on room temperature, so you can easily apply it, brush it. There you go. Same thing, like I said. Add a little bit of flour on it if you want, and then another one. I think I will make 10. There you go. Alrighty. All 10 are done. I have a nice thick layer now. Just stretch it out. I have a little too much flour on this side. Let me brush it off. I don't need that much now. I didn't want it to stick to the plate, so that's why I added more. Stretch it out as much as you can without breaking it. And now we cut stripes out of it. Pattiyan kaat le. I'm going to make 6 or 7 patties. I mean stripes. Alrighty. So far so good. Okay. Now comes the yummy part. I have some green onion, thinly sliced green onion. Green onion is so good in a dough. There you go. That's my pastry dough. You can call it a pastry dough. Okay, I added green jalapeno pepper and some pre-baked chicken. The chicken already has nice spice to it. Okay, just roll it up. Every single roll is going to count for 1 paratha. There you go. Don't forget there are 10 layers in 1 paratha. There you go. Just roll it up. Same thing like when you make the cinnamon. Alright. Now instead of baking it, we are just going to roll it because we're making parathas. I will do the recipe of baking it too another time, inshallah. But for now, we're just making parathas for breakfast. It's a weekend, and I like to do something different on the weekends. because weekdays the boys are working, everybody's just eating a little bit, grabbing something and going to work. When they come back, they're too tired, just grab whatever you can. But on the weekend, I try to do something different. Alrighty, with a little bit ghee in the bottom, just to coat the pan. I'm going to fry it on both sides till it's golden brown. Give it a nice color. The layers are cooking inside. Don't forget there's butter inside when it's cooking. Every layer inside is cooking, and that will make it very, very crispy and flaky. There you go. Same thing again. It's ready. Anybody hungry? Oh my God, it smells good. I can't wait to try one. Okay, same thing with a little bit of ghee or butter or oil. It's up to you. Look at the flakes. Look, look, look. That is so good. I'm brewing some coffee and my breakfast is ready. Please do try making them. It's worth the time, and frankly, it didn't take that much time. There you go. Bismillah, bismillah, bismillah. That is so good. I will say again, please try making them. It's worth the effort, and the effort is not that much. All you have to do is to just, make the layers. That's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Give me thumbs up if you like it. I'll see you guys later with another